FTP connection, it's helpful because it helps us find out the current users or which are logged into website through FTP, and it's helpful because it helps us terminate unwanted connection, whatever we don't want. We can just end that through FTP session. So I'll just go to files, log into cPanel, go to files, and then FTP connections, click that, and I can reload if I want, but I don't have any right now, but I'll explain you how it works. Okay, and is it displays the person who is logged in as user. The username will be displayed here, whoever is logged in, and the logged in from will write the IP address of the from where it's logged in. So the username is logged in, the IP address will be written here, or the host name of user system. The login time will be the time the user is logged in, the current time, and the status will be it will display the session status. It could be idle, it could be anything like that, and there'll be process ID, which will be the system's FTP session process ID. So it will be some digit numbers, will like probably six numbers, numerical numbers, and then the actions will be terminate the connection, and you can just disconnect that, and so if you think that there's any user that is not doing any activity and it just is on idle mode for a long time, and if you think that the user is uploading a very large file or doing something bad or harmful or something that is not normal or acceptable, you can terminate the connection by clicking the disconnect under the actions. But I don't have it because I don't have any person who has logged in. So you can just go to actions and you can just disconnect that with a click, one click called disconnect, and they will be terminated instantly.